Hi everyone, I'm Marissa Leon, an attorney with Caladas Legal AI. Today I'm going to show you how I use our Word add-in to negotiate agreements. Click on the Negotiate tab to get started. You'll be prompted to enter information about your agreement, including the industry that you're in, the names of the parties, who you represent in the agreement. You'll add instructions on how to redline the agreement or how you would like the agreement to be reviewed. In this case, I'm going to upload a playbook that I have created for myself. Click upload. Then I'll provide instructions to include the playbook as part of the analysis. Go ahead and select Review Contract. You'll be provided with a summary of your agreement, the overall neutrality of the agreement, critical concerns. In my case, these are based off the playbook that I've uploaded. You'll see changes to your contract listed out by provision. These are organized by severity, high, medium, low. You scroll down, you'll be able to see recommended changes and track changes on the right-hand side. You can locate the provision in your agreement by selecting Locate. You can rewrite the provision. Perhaps you want to make your agreement simpler or make it more robust. You can also ask for an explanation of the language and what the purpose of the term is if you're unfamiliar with the provision. If you like the recommended change, you can go ahead and select Apply, and your changes will be incorporated directly into your Word document on the left-hand side. You will also see that we provide comments. The comment bubbles can be inserted or removed, and will show up on the right-hand side as well. Feel free to email us at support@caladasai.com if you have any questions. Good luck.